So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie B. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may accept your position.
Accuracy.
Accuracy is correct for 10 points.
All right. Montserrado, how are you today?
I'm good.
All right. Great. Let's give Thomas a few seconds to share the links with the different groups and affiliates, and we shall go straight into this game. CWA and DRIMS also just take some time to simmer down to reflect on what you're about to do today, the meaning of all of this to you, and we'll go from there. And Thomas, are you set? Are you ready?
Sure.
And boom, we are live. Hello. We would like to take this time to welcome everyone who's watching now, those who will come after this game, and those who will join us while this game is ongoing. We'd like to say you're highly welcome to the third place match of the Math Quiz Bowl of the National Quiz Bowl Games for Liberian Schools. During the Math Quiz Bowl or in the Math Quiz Bowl, the essence or the purpose of it is to call our students back to their fundamentals, allowing our students to know that math is one of the critical subjects, is one of the STEM areas. And if you want to go into an engineering, a technical, or a rigorous analytical field, quantitative and your qualitative knowledge submitted as math needs to be strong. That's our foremost mission of why we run the Math Quiz Bowl. In addition to that mission, other objectives are to motivate the students, to challenge the students, to call the schools back to academicism or academia, and just to, if may, to be entertained if the entertainment purpose or aspect is for you. Thomas, before we move into introduction, I'd like you to give me a stats for CWA from inception of the test of admittance till Thursday of this week. Give me a stats on these schools and the reasons why they're sitting here in this position.
I think okay, I will come in, but you have to work on your math. I think you are coming in a little bit. Work on. Let's work on it.
Okay.
So to the folks out there, we want to say you are highly welcome once again to the separate match of the National Quiz Bowl Game for Liberian School / Math Quiz Bowl Edition 2024. So we have two schools, as it was stated, Dream School System from Bassa County and College of West Africa, for short CWA, from Montserrado County. So CWA said the stocks we have here for CWA. CWA came in during the round of 24. So Pierre, the round of 24, CWA won her first game and she progressed to the round of 12. At the round of 12, I don't have him of the stats right now. So, but CWA won her first game during the round of 24 and won the second game during the round of 12. And during the quarterfinals, CWA also tapped the match. The semifinal, CWA lost the game between uh, National Bani Massacre. CWA lost the game between National Bani Massacre, so CWA is here. Moving on to Dream School System. Dream School System won three of our games in a row. At the third game, at the fourth game, that is the semi-final game, Dream School System lost the game between uh not Jimmy Jolokon. So Jimmy Jolokon and Dream School System. Jimmy Jolokon was better of that game, and Dream School System was the better of that game. So that's why Jimmy Jolokon CW is here.
Feyen video, I'm not getting you.
Hello, are you guys
I'm
hearing
getting
me?
you.
Are you guys hearing me?
Yeah, okay.
Iphone, it's iPhone. Yeah, we hearing you
Yeah,
now.
yeah, you hearing me? Are you guys hearing me?
Yeah, we yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, we're not getting you. You check your mic. We're not getting you. No, we're not hearing you. You can go off and come back
Hello,
on.
you hearing me?
Yeah,
You
I'm
hearing
hearing you.
me?
I'm hearing you. Yeah, I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Not from you. Don't worry, it's not from you.
That Feyen video, I'm hearing.
Yeah, yeah. He was in your work on it. Don't worry. So, folks, who want to say you are highly welcome again, you are highly welcome. So, as I was saying,
Iphone, asa.
during the semifinal, both schools lost
Yeah.
the match or the matches. Both schools lost it. That is, Jimmy Jolokon won the match between Dream School System and
Hmm.
Thomas,
National. And, okay, we are hearing you now.
can you hear me?
Yeah,
All
okay.
right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
let's go straight to the game. Let's repeat the formalities. Dream School System. You have 30 seconds to give us your introduction.
Thank you for giving me the time, Federal student Peter and boys. So the second is my name. To the match, I remain constant.
CWA, 30 seconds.
Thank you for the time given me. I'm Pierre Designer High School, but for this match, I prefer to be called Pierre Designer High School. Thank you.
All right. Thomas, anything from your end before I read my first set of questions?
Oh, they're just good luck. Wish both schools good luck. You already
All
know
right.
the rules. Nothing to go through it again.
Right. And
Sure.
on the same note, I say you guys have already done all of the hard work this year, and at the end of the day, just have fun. Okay, have fun, relax yourself, have fun. Winning here or losing here does not take anything away from you. It doesn't say that you don't know mathematics. It doesn't say you don't know your fundamentals. And if we can bet, if I can put my neck on the chopping board, as a librarian may say, you guys are some of the students as it relates say to mathematics that I'll be able to put my neck on that chopping board for, knock on wood. All right. So let's all relax, have fun, enjoy yourself today. CWA, what is
Yeah.
your boosting point?
College.
College. Uh, Dreams, what is your boosting point?
T.
D. D. And this is how we move on to question number one. This is how we go on to question number one. Thomas, let's see what the better hold. Question number one. Solve the exponential equation and simplify. Keyword, simplify. Solve the exponential equation, simplify. 5 raised to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 4. 5 raised to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 4.
Kalish.
Kalish.
You have 10 seconds.
Take
1, 2.
x is equal to log 4 over log 5 plus 2.
X is equal to, come again?
Log 4 over log 5 plus 2.
Teach me.
Thank you, Virgin. Looking at this equation, 5 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 4. We can use basically the normal indices rule to solve this problem. We use both. We either use the natural log or we use the log of distance. I decided to use the log of distance. So I took the log on both sides by saying log 5 to the power x minus 2 is equal to log 4. And by the power rule logarithm, you have log a to the power n is the same as n log a. So the x minus 2, which is the power that will come, has the coefficient of the log. So I have x minus 2 log 5 equal to log 4. To solve for log 5, to solve for x, I divide both sides by log 5. And I have log 5 cancelling log 5 on the left. So you will be left with x minus 2 to be equal to log 4 or log 5. To simply solve for x, I just transpose the 2 to the right, and so it was negative, it was positive. So I have log 4 or log 5 plus 2.
Green school system, do you agree with the explanation?
No, I agree, no.
Why?
Yes, so the answer is wrong, Virgin.
What's it?
In simplest form.
Wait, the answer is log 4 over log 5 plus 2. What's the problem you got?
In simplest form, the answer will be 2 over log 5, Virgin.
No, you're wrong. He's correct. 2 plus ln of 4. I use the natural logarithm. It's 2 plus the ln of 4 or ln of 5. He's correct. Take 10.
Virgin.
Yeah. 2 plus ln of 4 or 5, or 2 plus the log of 4 or 5.
Yeah, the 2 you read the question, you raised to the power, a 2 in the power, right?
No, 2 whole number. 2 whole number. CWA, take 10. Question number 2. Question number 2. 150 cars are parked in a parking lot. 150 cars are parked in a parking lot. 2x plus 5 cars is made in Japan. 21 cars are made in China. 68 cars are neither from Japan nor from China. X minus 7 cars are made in Japan and China. What is the probability that a car choosing will be from China? I repeat the question. 150 cars are parked in a parking lot. 2x plus 5 cars are made in Japan. 21 cars are made in China. 68 cars are neither made in Japan nor China. X minus 7 cars are made in Japan and China. What is the probability that a car choosing will be from China? The time starts.
Can you begin with the question?
150 cars are parked in a parking lot. 2x plus 5 cars are made in Japan. 21 cars are made in China. 68 cars are made neither in Japan nor China. And X minus 7 cars are made in Japan in China, what is the probability that a car choosing will be made? A car choosing is made in China. What is the probability? D. Dreams. 10
You
seconds.
have 10 seconds.
1,
Yes, the answer here is nothing else
4.
but just 7 over 30.
Teach me. What? Teach me.
So there is a probability question that involves so many cars, and then we got total cars to be 150 cars. And then 2S plus 5 of those cars was made in Japan. 21 was made in China. 68 was made in Japan. S17 was made in Japan and China at the same time. So we asked to find the probability of the car that was made in China. And the question here, 21 stand by itself that was made in China. So definitely only 21 car was made in China. So P or E will be equal to P or car made in China will be equal to 21 over 150. We break it down 7 into 21, 3 into 21, 7 times, 3 into 150, 30 times, we 7 over 30.
Wait. Come back your explanation. You said 21 over how many times? 21 over what?
21, 150.
Okay, come back with explanation. Come back with explanation.
Okay, I can't give you the explanation. So, hello?
Yes, come back.
You hear me, Virgin?
Yeah, repeat. Repeat your explanation.
Hello?
Repeat. Go ahead.
Yes, so 150 cars is the total. And then 2S plus 5 of those cars was made in Japan. 21 was made in China. And then S minus 7, 21, it was made in not Japan, S minus 7 was made in Japan and China. So, in solving this problem, since 21 was made in China and then we find China no more, we say,
you said 21 over 150 will give you 7 over 30. That's what you said.
No,
right?
no.
What you said? What did you say?
Eh?
What did you say? Hurry up.
I said, to find China no more, we say, I use, because as you 21 plus 7, you got China and Japan, 21 plus 7 given 28, or 150, 4 into 28 are 7, 4 into 150, it got 30.
4 into 150 will give 30. Wrong. 4 into 150 will give 30. I give you 5 points. I give you 5 points, and if it happens again, I will not give you your points. You're not explaining. Your answer is correct, but your explanation does not hold. I'll give you 5 points. If it happens again, I will not give you a point. If it happens again, then we'll have to end the game. Thomas Saper, please take note. Here's your explanation. Here's your full explanation. All of the cars is equal to all of the cars should be equal to 150. It's 2x plus 5 plus 7 minus x plus 21 plus 68 should be equal to what? 150. When you when you work on your leg terms, you have what? 3x is equal to what? 63. 3x into 63 give you what? 21. Then you go back to the intersection there. The intersection was what? X minus 7. So it's 27 what? Minus what?
27 minus x minus 7.
21 minus 7.
21 minus 7. That will give you what? 14. Right? 14. Then you go back. You already had a portion of it that was 21. So you add now the 14 to the 21 because that probability will concern about. Hold on. 14 plus 21 give you 35. Then 35 divided by the 150 give you 7 or 30. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a point.
Yeah, what's the point?
The number of cars that was made in China was 8 China only because
No, I didn't say
mostly
China.
like a
I didn't say China only. I didn't say China only. I said the probability that you can't choosing is from China. If it was only, then you'll be only concerned about the 21 or the 21 minus the section. We're not concerned about
Okay.
only in China. So the 21 plus 7 minus x minus 7.
Okay, Virgin.
Question is number 3. Question is number 3. Question is number 3. Dreams 5 points, CWA 10 points. Question is number 3. The center of a cycle is 10, minus 3. The point outside of the cycle is 10, 9. And the point inside the cycle is 6, minus 3. Neither point is in the cycle. Neither point is on the cycle. Neither point is on the cycle. If the radius is an integer, how many possible values are there for the radius? How many possible values are there for the radius? I repeat the question. The center of the cycle is 10, minus 3. The point 10, 9 is outside the cycle, and the point 6, minus 3 is inside the cycle. Neither point is on the cycle. If the radius error is an integer, how many possible values are there for the radius or for error? You have 30 seconds. You have 30 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. The answer will be 7 possible values. So you use the distance formula to find the points, the two extreme points, 10, minus 3, and 10 and 9. And that distance should be 12. So the radius should, and that distance was the outside distance. So the radius cannot be more than 12. Then you solve the other points for the distance. The inside point is 10, minus 3, and 6, minus 3. It should be 4. So that means the radius can not be less than 4. It cannot be less than 4. It cannot be greater than what? 12. The possible number of radius or any possibility for the radius occurring can be 7. So radius can be 5, 6, 8, 9, or 19 or 11. So the answer is just 7. 7 possible values are possible. Thomas Tape, over to you.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome. The score is 10 points to College of West Africa and 5 points to Dream School 16. 3 questions has been read. We'll move on to the 4th question. For a quick reminder, if you cannot solve your problem, there will be -5, and it happens again, we cannot continue the game. So, folks, we move on to question number 4. The question is question number 4, and I read for both schools. Given the matrix C in the first row is 2 and 3, The second row is 1 and 2. Matrix D, in the first row is 1 and 0. And in the second row is 4 and 3. Find the inverse of matrix C times D. 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 Sorry, I come again. Find the inverse of matrix C minus D. Find the inverse of matrix C minus D. Find the inverse of matrix C minus D. Not times, minus. Find the inverse of matrix C minus D. Kalish, you have 10 seconds. What is your answer? 1.
Yes. I'll go for row 1. On row 1, you have -1 over 8, -3 over 8, and row 2, you have 3 over 8 and 1 over 8.
You are wrong. Your question, James consistent, and I read. Given the matrix C, you have in the first row you have 2 and 3. In the second row you have 1 and 2. Matrix D, in the first row you have 1 and 0. In the second row you have 4 and 3. Find the inverse of matrix C minus D. Find the inverse of matrix C minus D. James school system, you have 20 seconds now remaining. James school system, you have 20 seconds remaining.
T.
You have 10 seconds now. Yeah.
The inverse
you have 10
matrix
seconds.
T minus B. The matrix OB on the first row get 1 and minus 3. On the second row get -5 and -1.
On the first row get 1 and minus 3. On the second row get -5 and what?
-1.
On the second row we get -5 and -1. Who am I? Teach me. I want
So
to
there's a matrix problem involving inverse and that the subtraction. So first of all, we find the inverse of matrix T as per the question asked for.
Wait. That be fast. What was your determinant?
The determinant of the matrix was just 1, and 1 was 1 at 1.
Just 1. Okay. So the determinant was 1. So no further question. 13 points. No further question. 13 points. The question is question number 5. And I read for both schools. Question number 5. Find the limit. The limit of the long rule of 1 plus s squared minus 1 over s squared as x approaches 0. Are you hearing me now? Hello? Are you hearing me?
Yeah, John.
Dream school system, are you hearing me?
Yeah, nothing here. Yeah.
Are you hearing me now? I read again.
Yeah, I hear you.
Find the limit of the rule of 1 plus s squared minus 1 over s squared as x approaches 0. The -1 is not under the rule.
1 plus
I read
s
again.
squared.
Listen. The -1 is not under the rule. I read again. Find the limit of the long rule of 1 plus s squared minus 1 all over s squared as x approaches 0. Find the limit of the long rule of 1 plus s squared minus 1 over s squared as x approaches 0. The -1 is not under the rule. Kalish, you have 10 seconds. Your answer. You have 10 seconds.
Undefined.
1.
Undefined.
Undefined is not correct. I can't accept that. Undefined is not correct. Dream school system. Find the limit of the long rule of 1 plus s squared minus 1 over s squared as x approaches 0. You have 30 seconds. Dream school system.
D.
Now you have 10 seconds. What is your answer?
Yes, the answer here will be nothing else but just 2.
You are wrong. The correct and precise answer is half. 1 over 2. Correct and precise answer is half. So for quick solution, the first thing is you rationalize the numerator, that is you times 1 plus the root of 1 plus s squared minus 1 times the root of 1 plus s squared plus 1. If you rationalize the numerator, you'll be left with 1 plus s squared minus 1 or s squared parenthesis being the root of 1 plus s squared plus 1. So with that, you can replace it with 0, and if you replace it with 0, when you stop, your solution set will be 1 over 2. Is that a question?
Yeah, proceed.
The question is question number 6, and I read for both schools. Question number 6. John is 3 times as old as Mark, and John is also 10 years older than Sam. If the sum of their ages is 95 years, find their ages. I read again. John is 3 times as old. John is 3 times as old as Mark, and John is also 10 years older than Sam. If the sum of their ages is 95 years, find their ages. If the sum of their ages is 95 years, find their ages.
Can you repeat the question again?
95.
John is 3 times as old as Mark, and John is also 10 years older than Sam. If the sum of their ages is 95 years, find their ages. Yes. You have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, John age will be 17. John age will be 17. Mark age will be 51, and then Sam age will be 27.
I can accept that. You are wrong. Culture West Africa. John age is 3 times. John age is 3 times. John is 3 times as old as Mark, and John is also 10 years older than Sam. If the sum of their ages is 95 years, find their ages. You have 25 seconds remaining. Now you have 20 seconds remaining. You have 15 seconds remaining. Now you have 10 seconds remaining. You count down. 1.
Kalish.
10 seconds. What is your answer? 1.
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time. John. Yes. John is 45 years old. Mark is 15 years old, and Sam is 35 years old. John is 45 years old. Mark is 15 years old, and Sam is 35 years old.
So what was the seven? What was the seven?
So the question says John is 3 times as old as Mark. So you can represent John to be J or any letter. If you say J is equal to 3M, that is John's age, because he's 3 times as old as Mark. Then the question goes on and says John is also 10 years older than Sam. So you say John is equal to X plus 10, because he's also 10 years older than Sam. Then equation 3 says that the sum of their ages is 95 years. So J plus M plus S is equal to 95 years. So in this case, you substitute J
plus 3M.
J plus M plus X is equal to 95. Now, if you want to solve for m, you want to solve for one of the variables. Where you see j, you put 3m. Where you see j represent a to b, where you see j represent a to b, how they call it is mag is. Where you see j also can represent a to b, stem is. And in this case, you say 3m plus 3m minus 10 is equal to 95. If you solve for that, m will be equal to 15, and m will be mag is. When you get mag is, then you go to join. Join is 3 times as O as mag. So uh, 3 times mag is join is. That's how you solve it.
Chief, Sergeant. Chief.
And that was question number 6.
Thank you, Thomas. The score is CWA 10 points, Dream School System 15. The question is number 7, first half. The question is number 7. Solve the system of non-linear equation. Solve the system of non-linear. Solve the system of non-linear equation. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Solve the system of non-linear equation. Y is equal to 2x squared. That's equation 1. And equation 2, y is equal to 2x plus 4. Equation 1, y is equal to 2x squared. Oh, hold on. Grandmaster, can you hear me? James, can you hear me?
Sergeant, I hear you say.
I repeat the question. Please pay attention. Y is equal to 2x squared. That's equation 1. And equation 2,
I hear you.
Y is equal to 2x plus 4. Kalish.
I hear the question there by.
X to be 2 or negative 1, and with x, when x equal to 2, y will be 8, and y will be positive 2.
Proof.
Okay,
I hear the question
this
back.
question. Equation 1 was y equal to 2x squared, and the next one was y equal to 2x plus 4. So we have more of a quadratic equation and a linear equation here. Since we said y is equal to 2x plus 4, I replace y with 2x plus 4 in equation 1 by saying 2x plus 4 equal to 2x squared. Sending everything to the left, I will have negative 2x squared plus 2x plus 4 should be equal to 0. But since I know that the coefficient of x squared cannot be negative, I multiply the whole equation by 1, I will have 2x squared minus 2x minus 4 to be equal to 0. Using the equation, I have x squared minus x minus 2 to be equal to 0, and I solve for x. And factorizing this, you have x minus 2 and x plus 1. So the two solutions, the factor theorem or the zero product theorem, you say x minus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0. So you have x equal to positive 2 and x equal to negative 1. And I substitute each of them within y respectively. I have y to be equal to 2 times positive 2 all squared. You have 2 times 4, which is just 8.
Save your breath. Save your breath. Save your breath. Take 10. Save your breath.
Sergeant, my never I hear the question say.
Save your breath. Dreams, can you hear me now?
Sergeant.
Dreams, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I hear you.
Please pay attention, Dreams. Can you hear me right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I read question number 8. A triangle lies in a coordinate plane. A triangle lies in a coordinate plane. The vertices of the triangle are minus 2, 4, 2, 4, and minus 6, minus 6. What will be the area of this triangle? Come again. A triangle lies in the coordinate plane. What is the area of this triangle if the vertices are minus 2, 4, 2, 4, and minus 6, 6? Again, minus 2, 4, 2, 4, and minus 6, 6. Yeah, somebody please, whoever play music, please lower it down. Whoever play music in the background, please lower it
Yeah,
down.
man, impasse. Impasse.
CWA.
Yes, I'll go for 25, the rule of 164 Ward 2.
Wrong. Wrong. What is the area of a triangle in the coordinate plane if the vertices lie on the point minus 2, 4, 2, 4, and minus 6, 6? You got 10 seconds. 10.
D.
9. Yeah, Dreams.
D.
Answer. Dreams, answer.
Yes, so veteran, you have the 8 units, 8 units, 8 units. 8 square units, 8 square units, veteran, 8 square units.
8 units, 8 units, 8 units. You came so close, but yes,
Wrong. I say 8
wrong,
square units,
wrong,
veteran.
wrong. It's full. It's full. It's full. It's full. Full.
You say 4?
Full. Not 8. Full. Full.
Man, 20 plus 28, veteran, la 8 oh.
Yes, full.
Veteran.
No, yes, a setup. Yes, a setup. In the coordinate, hold on. In the coordinate plane, the distance from minus 2, minus 4.
I get it. I thought you were 2. I thought you were 2. I thought you were 2. La error. I get it. Fembito, I get it.
Question is number 9. Question is number 9. Differentiate. DDX
Come again.
of 1 divided by cos x. Differentiate DDX of or DDX. College.
Secant S tangent X.
1. Come again.
S tangent X. Secant S tangent X.
Secant X tangent X. Let's say I gave you, I don't know what you're saying, but I gave you 5 seconds to modify your answer. 1.
Like your answer being is secant S tangent X, the differentiation of 1 over cos X. Secant S tangent X.
I won't take that. I won't take that for now. Hold on. I won't take that. You're wrong. I won't take that. We'll come back to it, but I won't take that. Dreams. What is or differentiate DDX of 1 divided by cos x? You have 20 seconds.
T.
Dreams, answer.
Yes. Take sin S or the long root of 1 minus sin square S.
Let's say I say modify your answer. Let's say I say modify your answer. I give you 5 seconds. Modify your answer.
What? Yes, take sin S, the long root of 1 minus sin square S or over 1 minus sin square S.
Okay, and I say you're wrong. And yes, going to be an answer. The answer is sin x over cos square x. I can make it sin x over cos square x or tangent x over cos x. That's your answer. Sin x over cos square x.
Okay, I was correct, Virgin. Sin S over cos square X. If you simplify that, you have sin S cos X times 1 over cos x, it will give you sin x over cos square x. Sin x over cos x is tangent x. Times 1 over cos x is secant x. So it's secant x tangent x. I was calling you, look at it, brethren. Please look at it.
Hold on. The setup, what's the setup? The setup is you have to solve in the case of what? F of G and G of X. Do you have that?
Why I tell you this, brethren, the step that I follow here was 1 over cos x is the same as secant x. When you differentiate secant x is secant x tangent x. And from your answer you gave just now, you say sin x over cos square x. It can be written as this: sin x over cos x times 1 over cos x. It will give you sin square sin x over cos square x.
Do you realize you're differentiating?
Yes, I know, brethren. I differentiated secant x, secant x tangent x. And for your answer
hold on. Yes, it's set up. Yes, let's go through the formal setup. Yes, it's set up, right? The question I was given was d dx of 1 over cos x.
1 over cos x. Yes.
Right. So you have to solve for 1 over cos x is what? 1 over g. 1 over what? 1 over g and cos x. So f of g is 1 over g, and g of x is equal to cos x. All right. So when you have that set up, your f prime. Hold on. Your f prime of g is equal to 1 over g squared, and then your g prime of x, which is your sin x. So you have what? Sin x or over cos x squared or cos square x.
Yes, now, brethren.
So can you simplify? You're saying to me that you can simplify it further beyond sin x over cos x squared. Cos square x. Can you simplify that?
Yes, you can do that. You secant x tangent x. Yes. So let's look at what you get. Sin x over cos square x is the same as sin x over cos x times 1 over cos x. If you multiply, you get sin x over cos square x. So since you know that you have two different products, sin x over cos x is same as tangent x. 1 over cos x is same as secant x. I said secant x tangent x or tangent x secant x. Please look at it, brethren, please.
Thomas, what's your say?
So what's your answer and what's his answer?
The answer in a simplified form is sin x or over cos square x.
It can still be simplified, brethren.
And he said his simplification. Hold on. He said his simplification is secant x over tangent x.
No, secant x tangent x, not over tangent x. Secant x tangent x.
I actually wrote it when you were quoting answer. I wrote it. When you're quoting answer,
I said secant x tangent x. No, I'm not saying over.
I got him. You didn't say over.
Secant x tangent x.
Oh, you said secant x tangent x.
Yes. So sin x over cos square x is the same as secant x tangent x if you simplify it, brethren.
Yeah, Thomas, what's your advice? Hold on.
Sin 1 over sin square x. Yeah, if you're breaking it down to the lowest, it's correct. If you're breaking it down to the lowest, it's correct.
CWA, take 10.
Thank you.
All right. So, Thomas, let's move on to the second half.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. Wherever you join from, stay with us. We move directly into the second half, starting with question number 1. The question is question number 1 in a read for both school. Jimmy School System, are you hearing me?
Yes.
College of West Africa, are you hearing me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
The question is 1 in a read second half. A box contains 5 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 2 green balls. If 4 balls are drawn at random, what is the probability that exactly 2 are red and 1 is blue? I read again. A box contains 5 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 2 green balls. If 4 balls are drawn at random, what is the probability that exactly 2 are red and 1 is blue?
Please come again.
A box contains 5 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 2 green balls. If 4 balls are drawn at random, what is the probability that exactly 2 are red and 1 is blue?
Courage.
College, you have 10 seconds. What is the answer?
3 or 5. 3 or 5.
3 or 5. I can accept that you are wrong. Dream School System, you have about 20 seconds remaining. You have about 20 seconds remaining. The balls contain 5 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 2 green balls. If 4 balls are drawn at random, what is the probability that exactly 2 are red and 1 is blue? Now you have 15 seconds. Yeah, you have 10 seconds now. What is your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, I didn't take now or 50.
9 or 50. Now
or 50.
9 over 50 is not correct. The correct and precise answer is 2 over 7. 2 over 7 is precise. So the first thing is to find the total number of ways to draw 4 balls. So the total number of ways to draw 4 balls is 10 combination 4. I will give you 2 10. And the next thing is the questions indicate that at least 2 are red and 1 are blue. So 5 combination 2 because you have 5 red ball, so 5 combination 2 for the red ball, and they say 1 is blue, so 1 3 combination 1 for the blue ball and 2 combination 1 for the green ball. So if you solve that, it will be 60 over 210 will give you 2 over 7. The question is question number 2, second half, and I read for both schools. F of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4, and g of
I don't hear you.
Thomas, come back again.
hear me now. Are you hearing me now?
Please repeat.
Yeah.
Please repeat.
Yeah.
Okay. I read for both schools. Are you guys hearing me?
Yeah.
Virgin get you.
Given that f of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4, and g of x is equal to the root of 3x plus 5, find g of f of 3. Find g of f of 3. I read again. Given that f of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4, and g of x is equal to the long root of 3x plus 5, find g of f of 3.
D.
Dreams.
You have, what is the answer? You have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, G of F of 3 will be nothing else but
7.
the root of 53.
The root of what?
The root of 53.
The root of 60. The root of 60 is not correct. The root of 60 is not correct.
I said root of 53, 53.
The root of 53 is not correct. The root of 53 is not correct. College West Africa.
Can you please come again?
F of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4, and g of x is equal to the long root of 3x plus 5. Find g of f of 3. Find g of f of 3. You have 15 seconds remaining.
Yes.
15 seconds remaining. Now you have 10 seconds.
I go about 2 the root of 10. 2 the root of 10. 2 the root of 10.
2 the root of 10 is not correct. The correct and precise answer is 4 the root of 5. 4 the root of 5. 4 the root of 5. So you are asked to find g of f of 3. So the first thing is you take 3 and put it in f of x. As you put 3 in f of x, will be 3 parentheses open. So if you put 3 in f of x, you will be left with 3x squared plus 4x plus 4. That will give you 25. And if you have 25, then you go for g of x, that is 3x plus 5. So 25 times 3 will give you 25 plus 5. That will give you the root of 80. The root of 80, when you break it down, will be 4 root 5. The root of 80 will be 4 root 5. Any question?
No.
4/5.
Yeah, the rule of 80 is 4 with 5. Which number are you using to break it down?
Federal because
I got the rule of 80.
Yeah, the rule of 80
Yeah.
is 4 with 5. It's not
Oh,
two. It's not.
let
It's 4 with
me
5.
see, Virgin. No, yeah, let me see.
And that was question. And that was question number 2, second half. The question is question number 3, second half. And I read question number 3, second half. And I read. Find the exact value of tan parenthesis 2 theta equals if tan theta is equal to 3 or 5 and theta is in the first quadrant. I read again. Find the exact value of tan parenthesis 2 theta equals if tan theta is equal to 3 or 5 and theta is in the first quadrant.
Kalish.
Kalish, you have 10
Kalish.
seconds. You have 10 seconds. The answer.
Yes.
1.
Take 24 or 25. 24
Take
or 25.
24 over 25. Who am I? Who am I? Please teach me. I want to learn. Teach me.
Okay, Virgin, looking at this question, you say, find the exact value of
Federal
some
proof
theta
well.
if some 3 over 5. And you show that the value of theta to be within quadrant 1, where all of the 6 trigonometric functions are equal. They are positive, I mean, sorry. So what the idea is, looking at the formula of sin 2 theta, you have 2 sin theta cos theta. That's the formula. So,
Federal proof well, Federal.
No, you did not.
theta, so I solve for cos theta. So I use the diagram. Since sin theta is equal to 3 over 5, meaning theta, the opposite side will be 3 and the opposite side will be 5. If you solve for the adjacent side of theta, you have the rule of the thing to just do. So cos theta is 4 over 5. So the 4 over 5, you do the formula 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 times 3 over 5 times 4 over 5. I multiply the numerator by 2. 3 times 4, 12 times 2 is 24. 5 times 5 only in the denominator is 25. So it's 24 or 25.
In other words, you use a double angle formula to carry on the multiplication. 15 points.
Federal.
No,
You're not the first. CWA first. You're not the
You're
first.
already solving when you boost, and you said before you even the fire again.
You're not the first.
You want to. And folks, that was question number 2. Was it 2? I didn't verify.
Number 3. Question number 3.
Number 3.
Okay, that was question number 3.
And the question is number 4. And the question is number 4. Use the sigma notation to express this series, or express this series in sigma notation. 2 over 3, comma, minus 1, comma, 3 over 2.
Federal breaking you.
Please pay attention, Dreams. Please use sigma notation to express this series. 2 over 3, comma, minus 1, comma, 3 over 2, comma, 9, minus 9 over 4, comma, minus 9 over 4, comma, 27 over 8, comma, minus 81 over 16. I repeat the question. Use sigma notation or express this series in sigma notation. 2 over 3, comma, minus 1, comma, 3 over 2, comma, minus 9 over 4, comma, 27 over 8, comma, minus 81 over 16.
Can you please come again?
Express this series in sigma notation. 2 over 3, comma, minus 1, comma, 3 over 2, comma, minus 9 over 4, comma, 27 over 8, and minus 81 over 16. You got 15 seconds. You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Courage.
Courage.
College.
T.
College.
Courage.
T.
Courage. Answer. Courage.
Okay. Let me go back.
Yes. Take the summation of 8
3.
financial opening 3 or 2 all to the power n minus 1 has n moved from from 1 to infinitive.
8.
I can't make you my answer. The summation of the first term financial opening 3 over 2 all to the power n minus 1 as n move from 0 to infinitive.
As n move from 0 to infinity. I heard what you said. Dreams, let me hear your answer. Dreams, what is the answer? Dreams, your answer.
Yes. Take the answer will be
1.
2 over 3. 2 over 3. The summation of 19 minus 15 n over 6 as n moves to infinitive.
Wrong. N is not moving to infinitive. N is equal to 1 and also 6. Why are you saying n move to infinity? 6.
Perfect. This you now mention that the series ended to the 6th term.
6. I give you 6
You say
numbers. No,
Five,
I say express the series in summation notation. Express the series. I give you 6. 6. Why are you giving me infinity? 6. The question is number 2. Number 5. Second half. The question is number 5. Second half. If the probability that a rain on any given day is 1 over 5, what is the probability that it rains only one of 2 consecutive days? If the probability that it rains given day is 1 over 5, if the probability that it rain on any given day is 1 over 5, what is the probability that it rains on only one of 2 consecutive days? What is the probability that it rains on only one of 2 consecutive days? What is the if the probability that it rain on any given day is 1 over 5? What is the probability that it rains on only one of 2 consecutive days?
T.
Dreams.
You have 10 seconds.
Dreams.
James, you have 10 seconds to answer.
2 over 5. 2 over 5.
I won't take 2 or 5. College, you got exactly 10 seconds. What's my answer?
I'll go over 4 over 25.
Come again?
4 over 25.
4 over 25. You're wrong. You came close, but you're wrong. 8 over 25. 8 over 25. You did your diagram, right? I assume you did your diagram. Do your diagram. So when you do your diagram, when it rain, the first time it rain, and then on the first time it rain, it will have to be broken down into the next level. So that rain and no rain will give you 4 or 5. And when there's no rain, the second day there will be rain and no rain, and it will still give you another 4 over 25. So it's 4 over 25 plus 4 over 25 is equal to 8 over 25. See that, baby? See your mistake, right?
Yeah, I can see that.
Solve the log. Solve the log. Solve the log. The question is number 6. Solve the log. Log base 2 of 5 plus 2x minus log base 2 of 4 minus x is equal to 3. Log base 2 of 5 plus 2x.
T.
Dreams.
Kalish.
Dreams.
You have 10 seconds.
1,
The answer.
2.
Yes, the value of S here will be nothing else but negative 19 or 6.
6.
Negative 19 or 10.
Negative 19 or 10. You're wrong. CWA. You have 15 seconds. Log base 2 of 5 plus 2x. Log base 2 of 5 plus 2x minus log base 2 of 4 minus x is equal to 3.
Kalish. I'll go for 2.6. F got a 2.6.
2.6. I won't take 2.6. You're wrong. Thomas, what didn't happen here? S is equal to 2.7. 2.7. 2.7. Where you get 2.6 from? Wait.
No, I was sorry. It's 2.6.
2.7, not 2.6. 2.7. Look at your math. 10x is equal to 27. 10x is equal to 27. Simple.
Simple mistake, you out.
Thomas,
so folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful testing match. The score we have here is 40 points to College of West Africa and 15 points to Dream School System. We have 3 more questions to climax this game. And I read for both schools. The question is question number 7. Dream School System, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
Question number 7, and I read. A garden bed is shaped like a trapezoid with an area of 240 square meters, a height of 12 meters, and one base measuring 20 meters. Find the length of the other base.
Think again, Ferdinand.
A garden bed is shaped like a trapezoid with an area of 240 square meters, a height of 12 meters, and one base measuring 20 meters. Find the length of the other base. Dreams. You have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we 20 meters. 20 meters.
20 meters. 20 meters. Teach me.
So this garden bay had the area to be 240 in the form of trapezoid. And trapezoid formula on the which is A equal 1 or 2 H parenthesis open B1 plus B2. Again, it will be 240 meters square. So in plugging in place of A, we get 240 equal 1 over 2. They had at 12. 1 over 2 times 12. Parenthesis open. The first base is 20. The second base is B2. 20 plus B2 equals it. From multiplying 2 times 240 will give us 480 will be equal to 12 parenthesis open 20 plus B2. Now B2 is solving for. Dividing both about 12, we'll get 40 equal to 20 plus B2. Say 20 across, we'll get B2 will be equal to 20 meters.
20 across B2 is equal to 20 meters. That gave you 10 points. 10 points. Question is question number 8. And I read for both schools. Question number 8. Alice can complete a project in 12 days. What can complete the C project in 8 days? How long will it take for both of them working together to complete this project? I read again.
T.
You have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1, 2.
Yes, both of them doing this work. It will take them
4, 5,
16.
6.
It will take them 48 or 10 days, veteran. Or I will take a 4 or 10 or 4.8 days.
48 over 10 days. I can't accept that. 48 over 10 days. 48. You said, come again. Come again, answer.
48 over 10.
4.8 days or 48 over 10.
4.8 days or 48 over 10 days. 4.8 or 48 over 10 days. Teach me.
So the first two person Alice and the other person Alice she can do the work in 12 days time. And then the other person can do the work in 8 days time. So we use the formula 8 and B over A plus B, which is 12 times 8 over 12 plus 8 to get it both of them working together time. So 12 times 8 will give you 96 over 12 plus 8 will give you 20. We say 2 into 96 for the 8 times, 2 into 20, 10 times. For the 8 you have about 10 at 4.8, which is 4.8 days.
10 points. The last question to come out this game. Question number last question to come out this game. The score is 40 points to College of West Africa and 35 points to Dream School System. The last question to come out this game. And I read. The measure of one of the two supplementary angles is 20 degrees more than 1/3 the measure of the other angle. Find the measure of both angles. I read again. The measure of one of the two supplementary angles is 20 degrees more than 1/3 the measure of the other angle. Find the measure of both angles. I read for the last time. The measure of one of the two supplementary angles is 20 degrees more than 1/3 the measure of the other angle. Find the measure of both angles. The measure of one of the two supplementary angles is 20 degrees more than 1/3 the measure of the other angle. Find the measure of both angles.
Kalish,
you have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1.
yes.
2.
I'll go for
3. 4.
yes.
5. 6.
120 degrees.
7.
120 and 40.
120 and 40. 120 and 40 is not correct. 120 and 40 is not correct. Your question, Dream School System, you have 15 seconds. The measure of one of the two supplementary angles is 20 degrees more than 1/3 the measure of the other angle. Find the measure of both angles.
Felix, 20 degrees more.
20 degrees more than 1/3 of the angles. Now you have 10 seconds.
Yeah, so D.
Your answer 2, 3.
The angle will be nothing else but 120 degrees. 120 degrees.
You got 5 seconds. 3, 4.
I said 120 degrees, Sergeant. 120 degrees. 120 degrees.
You are wrong. The correct and precise angle. What is the measure of both angles? The correct and precise angle is 120 degrees and 60 degrees. The man said 140 degrees.
But like we have a variant.
Both angles. I
But
said
I said 120 degrees.
You said 120 degrees and 40 degrees. You said 120 and 40. 120 and 40, would I give you 180? No. It's 120 and 60 degrees. 120 and 60 degrees. So, folks, that's how we come to the end of this game. The score is 40 points to College of West Africa and 35 points to Dream School System. I think it's 5 points in favor of College of West Africa.
All right, Thomas, let me for these guys, and you take care of them while we give the link for the next game.
Okay, so to the folks out there following us, I want to say you are highly welcome. We are very, very grateful to have you following us on this platform. Today marks the end of the Math Quiz Bowl Games edition 2023. We have the grand final within a minute from now. We have the grand final. So now, College of West Africa is officially the third place. College of West Africa is officially the third place holder of the Marquez Bowl edition 2024. So the Junior Bowl will start on the 12th of July. The Junior Bowl will start on the 12th of July. So that's a reminder to the folks out there and to the students. So we have the 16 schools probably that have already qualified to take part in the Junior Bowl. That announcement will be given later after we issue a letter out. So the score again is 35 points to Dream School System and 40 points to College of West Africa. And the margin is 5 points in favor of College of West Africa.
All right.
This was a head-to-head game. There was a mistake by College of West Africa instead of 120 and 140 degree. And I was expecting Dream School System just to correct that mistake. Very simple game. You already made a mistake and you came and said the same thing because we were not paying attention.
All right.
So,
So
folks, that's how we come to the end of this game.
let our rule lead to the general final. So in a split second, we'll be switching our transmission, moving on to another link for the grand final. So please stay with us, and the grand final is going to be in a split second. So the coordinators there from Montserrado County and Grand Bassa County, hats off to you for doing the heavy lifting. We see you or talk to you after the finals. Thank you.
Okay. All right.